Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining our presentation. Today, our team is excited to introduce Connect, our energy management-based solution designed to bridge the gap between power grid incentives and building energy response.
To put the scale of the building energy challenge into perspective, buildings in the United States account for more than 70% of electricity use and at least one-third of the economy-wide CO2 emissions. This paired with recent UN emissions report outlining how more immediate action on emissions is necessary to highlight the importance of this challenge. These concerns, along with the energy grid where demand is increasingly outpacing supply, especially during peak time periods, has led utility companies to begin to implement time of use or TOU rate systems, and the US Department of Energy to outline a 10-year plan for full TOU adoption.
So, how can Company A position itself as a leader in innovative climate action and better prepare itself for the inevitable power grid pricing changes? To start, we'll look at their present sustainability plan and operations. Company A's current approach starts with its corporate responsibility strategy, which promotes initiatives including employee sustainability training and the deployment of smart home technology. While these are positive efforts towards decarbonization, they have limitations in their effectiveness on their own. These include limited energy cost savings from unresponsive building management systems and standard utility pricing structures, greenhouse gas reduction inefficiencies, with Company A reporting a 3-year increase in their Scope 2 emissions since 2021, and finally, vulnerability to future utility pricing changes due to building systems that are currently unable to respond to expensive grid demand peaks.
So how do we fix this? Our solution addresses these challenges by expanding Company A's investment in smart home technology to encompass a range of grid interactive efficient building, or GEB control systems, paired with the adoption of TOU utility pricing structures. This enables Company A's properties to dynamically adjust their energy consumption by fully utilizing smart home tech and GEB control systems in order to achieve the savings provided by TOU pricing, which incentivizes buildings to shift energy use to off-peak times when rates are lower and the grid is less emission intensive.
In order to really set the solution up for success, we recommend Company A accelerate the rollout of its pilot energy management and data analytics program. This program expanded the implementation of equipment-level and unit-level energy metering and improved remote access for building management systems across its portfolio. This pilot program uniquely sets Company A up perfectly to develop more grid-responsive buildings and get the full value out of their existing building systems. In order to achieve this, there are a few steps Company A should take to maximize the effectiveness of this solution. First, invest in fully controllable systems, such as demand/control ventilation and automatic lighting systems wherever possible. Second, these systems should be standardized and required during fixture replacements or BMS updates. This ensures a practical and structured rollout system standard across the property portfolio. And most importantly, tenants and building operations managers should be consulted early and often, regularly acting on their feedback.
On the utility side of things, prioritizing deployment in regions with the most advantageous dynamic pricing structures, along with ensuring awareness across company staff and conducting proper training for energy management software, positions Company A to take full advantage of the cost savings and incentives offered for demand peak saving and load shifting.
Overall, our solution provides direct value in an estimated annual energy cost savings of $26.5 million if fully implemented across the property portfolio, along with a payback period of just under 4 years and an IRR of 27%. Further, it establishes Company A as a leader in GEBs in the real estate sector, improves building control and occupant satisfaction by reducing energy costs, and further expands savings potential through incentives and rebates. On a societal scale, this advances decarbonization efforts, promotes sustainability in urban development, and fosters community-wide energy equity and access by reducing strain on the grid.
As a technology-driven solution, it comes with inherent risks related to its technological components. These are our recommended mitigation strategies to overcome them. First, there's the concern of high implementation costs for some of the recommended control systems. To address this, we recommend a staggered practical approach, prioritizing locations with pre-existing BMS systems and desirable pricing structures, utilizing the short payback period and leveraging utility rebates and government incentives. Additionally, there could be compatibility issues with the existing building management systems. We recommend Company A continue to expand their existing smart home tech and BMS pilot program rather than adopt entirely new strategies, ensuring a smoother solution rollout. In conclusion, our solution positions Company A as a leader in energy optimization and sustainable leadership, drastically improving greenhouse gas emission reductions and cost savings across their over 300 property portfolio. Thank you.